press the Windows plus R combination key. Now type Control Firewall.cpl and press Enter. It will open the Windows Defender Firewall console. Click on the Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall option. Now click on the Change Settings button. Now search the FileZilla FTP Client app. Now check the FileZilla FTP Client app from the left panel. After this, click on the OK button to keep the changes. That's it. Now you can connect your server through FileZilla Client. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.